Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to edit Beehiiv landing page, a beginner's tutorial. So let's get started. So here we are in beehiiv.com, and obviously you would need to sign in first into your account right here. So if you don't have one, then you can just register. Once you're here in the dashboard, you want to click here on design and click here on website builder. And from here, basically, you can already see the website that you have right here. So if you want to edit this landing page right here, you can do so by modifying its settings right here at the left side. So for example, you want to change your logo, then you can click here on logo and identity, and then you can just change this by clicking here on the publication settings and click here on logo right here. You can also have your thumbnail, the publication name, one-line description, and so on. This would also affect your landing page, so you can just edit your basic infos right here. So now let's go back right here. And now we have the global colors. You can also edit colors of your website, and you can just match it according to your logo. So let's say I want to match this. So let's say I want my primary color to be somewhat this color, and I want the background color to be just maybe black right there. So I can just do it like this. As you can see, the text would disappear. So I don't think I'll just go with white right there. And now here it is. And then yeah, that is basically how you edit the colors. And then the next thing is the typography. If you want to change the fonts, then this is where you do it. You can go for the headings, body, and the button fonts right here. So you can just edit however you want it. And then the next thing is the radius and shadows. So if you want some shadows in your text or your photos and you're in the sections right here, then you can go for this one right here. You can go for medium right here. You can go for extra large. Can go for large or whatsoever right here that you'd want. And then the next thing is you want to go for the global navigation. So you can see the global navigation right here. So you can go for the template tree, and then as you can see it would move right here when you go for template 5 right here. As you can see, there is a change happening right here. As you can see, as you change your template, so you can just choose it however you'd want. And basically the same thing goes for the other parts. As you can see, there is an icon right here indicating which part of the website it is. So if you go for the subscribe widget, as you can see, it's here in the bottom. So when I go for the subscribe widget, it would be right here at the bottom. So when I change the template, as you can see, it would also change right there. So that is basically how you do it. And you can also go for the layout. It's basically the same thing. You have the global navigation layout, hero section, post section, and so on right here. So that is basically how you edit your Beehiiv landing page. And if ever you are interested in connecting your pixels, your Google pixels right here, or other social media accounts or something right here, then you can also go for pixels. You can go for SEO, social media links, and so on. So that is basically it on how you edit Beehiiv landing page. So I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.